Don't start your cafe, cloud kitchen, or restaurant until you watch this. Every year, thousands of people invest their savings into their dream food business. Apart from their savings, some of them even take loans, and they heavily spend on kitchen equipments, branding, on staff, and mostly on interiors. They do realize after a few months that their business is not making money. It's not that the food was not good, it's just that the business was not planned right. Let me tell you the things that went wrong, because of which your business is not able to make money. One of those things is it is obviously the wrong menu, poor pricing for sure, no inventory systems, untrained staff, and no loan strategy. And after all this, there is no plan regarding customer acquisition. These small mistakes slowly turn into huge losses. That's exactly where we come in. At Guerrilla University, we don't just help you open a cafe or a restaurant. We help you build a business that's designed to be profitable from day one. From menu engineering and operations to inventory management, staffing, Swiggy and Zomato onboarding, and a complete marketing strategy. We help you put every piece together before you invest your hard-earned money. Because your dreams deserves more than just a grand opening, right? It deserves long queues, repeat customers, great reviews, and a business that keeps growing month after month. If you have been thinking, I want to start my own cafe someday, don't leave it to trial and error. Tap the button below and book a consultation with our team. We'll understand your vision, show you the right roadmap, and help you build your food business with confidence. Your dream restaurant deserves the right foundation. Click the button below and let's build it together.